Number 13, y is equals to secant cube 2x minus 3 secant of 2x. So we get its first derivative. So y prime is equals to, so power rule, so 3. So secant, just copy. So 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. So just copy inside. And then derivative inside is derivative of secant 2x is just equals to secant 2x tangent of 2x. So derivative inside is 2. So minus, so 3. So derivative of secant is secant of 2x tangent of 2x. So derivative inside is 2. So y prime is equals to, so we have 3 secant, so 6 rather. 6, so 3 times 2, 6. 6 secant cube 2x tangent of 2x minus 6 secant of 2x tangent of 2x. So we'll now have this one. So we'll factor out 6 secant of 2x tangent of 2x. So we have secant squared of 2x minus 1. So take note that's 1 plus, so take note of this identity. 1 plus tangent squared theta is equals to secant squared theta. So secant squared, so tangent squared theta is equals to secant squared theta minus 1. So we will substitute that by this one. So 6 secant 2x tangent of 2x. So secant squared 2x minus 1 is just equals to tangent squared theta. So tangent squared 2x. So by simplifying, we have y prime is equals to 6 secant 2x tangent of cube 2x. So this is now our final answer. So let's check if our answer is correct. 6 secant 2x tangent cube of 2x. So our answer here is correct. So let's proceed to another number.